everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Lili. I'm a software developer, a data scientist, and a content creator based in Edmonton, Canada. I make videos about systems and framework to help you achieve more with less. As Harvard Business Review has pointed data science as one of the most sexy jobs in the 21st century, today let's talk about how I would learn data science if I am to start over. Before we begin, if you don't know what data science is, I would recommend you watching the video that I link over there where I explain data science in 3 minutes. Now, landing a job as a data scientist is like selling your skill set to potential employers. So let's understand why every business needs at least one data scientist to better know more about your customers before you try to market yourself. To understand the tremendous return on investment a data scientist would bring to any organization, let me ask you a question. How do Facebook and Google make money while providing free services to us? You got it, through advertisement. But how do those advertisements know which customer to advertise to? For example, if my company sells baby products, it would be a waste of resources to target customers who don't have children. So guess what? By analyzing your posts and photos posted on social media, Facebook will know whether you have children or not. Your posts and photos, in this case, are data. And behind the scenes, Facebook has a team of data engineers, data scientists, and machine learning engineers working together to turn that data into insights. That's just a very typical example of how a business model with advertisements as their main revenue source could benefit from hiring data scientists. However, a data scientist could do a lot more than just increasing ad revenue. They could be building predictive models to reduce turnover rate. They could be building clustering models to identify customer segments so marketing department can run targeted campaigns. Or they could be running time series forecasting models to predict sales so businesses can allocate their labor and equipment accordingly. In a more advanced level, they could be building neural networks through deep learning to identify defects in equipment or medical disease. Yet, they could do almost everything to improve your business processes and bottom line as long as you give them enough data. Speaking about enough data, I often see a lot of people getting confused about various job functions in data science world. They often assume anyone working with data as data scientist. So let's explore the data science hierarchy of needs to clarify different job functions in this multi-billion industry. First, you won't have data to analyze if you don't collect and store them in a scalable and secure way. That's where a data engineer come in. I also had a video talking about what data engineering is, so please check that out to learn more. So if you like to become a data engineer, you will need to be very efficient in SQL and Python programming languages. In addition, you would also need to have a strong understanding and working knowledge with certain relational databases, such as PostgreSQL, NoSQL databases such as Cassandra, big data processing tools such as Apache Spark, some workflow and orchestration tools like Apache Airflow, some ingestion tools such as Apache Kafka for real-time data, and Apache Swoop for relational store. Moreover, you will need to learn about DevOps and containerization tools such as Docker. And finally, you will need to understand how to model data for a data warehouse versus a transactional database. So, data engineers are responsible for collecting, processing, aka moving data in the most efficient way, and storing data in either a data warehouse, an operational data store, or even a data lake. Therefore, people with background in computer science have the most amount of transferable skill for data engineer role. Then you have data scientists and data analysts. Data analyst is a subset of data scientist job function where they clean and analyze data in SQL and Python. Data scientists analyze data in addition to building machine learning models, communicating their results to different stakeholders, and working very closely with data engineers to deploy and serve models to production. Data scientists will also need some statistics knowledge to run A/B testing and experimental design. And finally, you have machine learning engineers. Machine learning engineers tend to know how to do the job of a data scientist. Data engineer, in addition to the ability to build, train, and deploy deep learning models using tools such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Keras. Alright, so I hope the video helped you understand a bit more. As for which skill sets you need to get into the data science industry, please comment below if you have any further questions for me, and I will do my best to answer all of your questions. Thanks for watching. Good luck and have fun learning and working in the data science industry.